This is the Mitsubishi Programmable automatic sewing machine. It is particularly suited to bar tack stitching. Now, in order to demonstrate the machine, I'll be using 10 to 12 ounce canvas. This is 8 layers. Should be similar to what you might do with a belt loop or a pocket corner. This will sew denim and other types of woven material. This machine produces a nice balanced stitch. Fully programmable in a 30 by 30 millimeter area. It also has speed control. Programs for this machine can easily be purchased for $100 for the first one and $50 for each program after that. This machine will hold a prom capable of holding up to 10 programs.